Today marks the start of a groundbreaking initiative to enable the healthcare moonshot.
Led by some of America's leading health systems, the Truveta Genome Project aims to create the world's largest and most diverse genomic database to revolutionize care for our communities.
Until now, healthcare has lacked a large, representative genomic data set to fully harness AI's potential. The Truveta Genome Project changes that.
It's a historic effort, adding de-identified genomic data to Truveta data, creating a clinical database to discover the science of humanity.
Learning from tens of millions of records and harnessing the power of AI, we can transform healthcare by unlocking both the causes and the cures of disease.
Millions of Americans will have the opportunity to contribute to this unprecedented resource. Just as organ donation saves lives, participating in the Truveta Genome Project is an act of service that can truly transform healthcare for generations to come.
Combining our world-class genetic sequencing with Truveta's unprecedented scale of genomic and health record-linked data signals a new era in genomic medicine.
With this unparalleled data, AI will connect genetic information to medical outcomes faster than ever, revolutionizing healthcare and making personalized medicine a reality.
This is the database the world needs now. For the first time, we'll have the health data that we need to prevent disease. We believe the cure for cancer may actually be right upon us.
The Truveta Genome Project provides the missing ingredient to unlock the potential of AI to enable researchers to accelerate drug discovery, optimize clinical trials, and transform how diseases are prevented, diagnosed, and cured.
This is the innovation the world needs now. It's a commitment to a healthier, more equitable future, powered by science and collaboration and creativity.
We believe the answers to the world's most pressing health questions lie in this data and will enable us to improve care for all.
Together, we are paving the way for a more equitable and inclusive future in healthcare.